Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to demonstrate you a major upgrade to Text-to event. So here in the top, I sign up with my Google account, and in my profile settings, I said that I want to create events directly on my Google Calendar. So let's try it. On Saturdays at 6 p.m. catch up with friends in Central Pop. Reminders 1 and 2 hours. And here it is. There is an event on Saturday at 6 p.m. in Central Pop. Weekly on Saturdays, and reminders are there. I go to Google Calendar and I see here is an event and everything is there, even reminders. It's great. So if I also check next week, it's there. Next week it's there. So I will never miss a catch up with my friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.